Good morning. Hi, this is Gary Lee Stanley. How are you doing today? We're going to talk about my favorite thing today, which is sales. All right. The topic for today that we're going to talk about is very important. Why should you have mortgage insurance? Oh my gosh, what a great question. Now let me tell you the reason why I feel as though you should have mortgage protection. This means that you've got what they call a peace of mind. Okay, here's the situation. You pass away. Your wife, your significant other, is left with all of the bills. They're in a situation, they don't know what to do, they don't have any insurance, they have no idea where the funds are going to come from, and how do they pay the bills? Oh my gosh, do you want your children, your family to suffer based on you deciding, well, I can't afford to have this type of insurance? It makes no sense for a person who is smart today not to have mortgage insurance. Mortgage insurance will give you what they call a peace of mind. If you're the breadwinner in your family and you don't have mortgage insurance, you are deciding to go ahead and insure yourself. That means you're going to say, oh, it's okay for my family to suffer in a time of need, because you're not guaranteed another day. We could die today. You know, I'm just letting you know, without mortgage insurance, a lot of these companies that you buy your homes from, they may not offer mortgage insurance. The reason why is because they don't care. They want you to go ahead and buy it, and then you go ahead and lapse on it, and the next thing they know, they own it and they can resell it and make more money. That's a really big thing. The mortgage insurance industry in this regard is so important for a person to own, because it is going to make sure that when you, and I mean you, when you die, that your family is going to have the funds to continue. You don't want them to be going, oh my gosh, I got to move out of my home. I've got to take my kids out of school. I'm going to run into a situation where I just cannot be the person that I needed to be. Because when you married, or when you got with your significant other, you made a bond, you got a home, you decided this was the most important thing in your life that you wanted to have, you wanted to own, you wanted the American dream. Listen, mortgage insurance is so important. And let me just say this. If you do not have it, you need to really consider it. It will save you a lot of headaches. It'll help your family be in a bond. It'll make sure that, hey, you do not have to worry that, hey, what if something happens? Because believe it or not, something's going to happen. And if you've got mortgage insurance, guaranteed, if you get sick, if you can't work, I mean, goodness gracious, it makes sense to have the capability to make sure that your family is not going to suffer because you decided you didn't want mortgage insurance. It makes sense. Hi, this is Gary Lee Stanley. We just had a simple conversation about why it's so important that you have mortgage insurance. If you own a home and you don't got it, or condo, if you don't have it, get it, because today is the day to save money. I mean, it's important. It doesn't matter how much you pay, because you pay a little premium for a big benefit. Oh my gosh, what if you died and you owed $150,000? Your family's going to have a home for free. Oh my gosh, get off your butt. Make some decisions. Go ahead and get that mortgage insurance. Cover yourself, because you matter, and it's important that you have the opportunity to make sure your family lives when you're gone. Have a great day. This is Gary Lee Stanley. I am also Gary Stanley under salesperson. If you have any questions, or if you'd like to leave remarks or anything that you'd like to add to this, please do. And remember, without mortgage insurance, you have no future. You got a future. Make one. Go out there and sell something, and have a great day. Bye-bye.